over. To stop a vehicle by the side of the road. Example, the police asked me to pull over. Knock over. To accidentally hit something, causing it to fall. Example, I knocked over my coffee cup. Start over. To begin something again from the beginning. Example, I made a mistake in the drawing, so I'll start over. Watch over. To take care of or protect someone. Example, my grandma always watches over me when I'm sick. Pass over. To skip or ignore something or someone. Example, they passed over my application for the promotion. Roll over. To turn the body over or to extend something. Example, the dog rolled over on command. Take over. To assume control or responsibility. Example, she will take over the project while I'm away. Move over. To change position to make space for someone or something. Example, can you move over so I can sit here? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.